In today's fast paced business landscape, companies of all sizes and industries rely on project management tools to maintain operations, improve team collaboration, and guarantee that projects are finished on schedule and within budget. The key to success lies in having the right tools to manage complex workflows, track progress, and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Hi, I'm Ajita from KnowHow Academy. In today's video, we are diving into a case study of how Coca-Cola, one of the most iconic global brands, utilizes Monday.com to maintain its operations, improve team collaboration, and ensure project success. We'll explore how Coca-Cola faced challenges in managing its marketing campaigns and product launches, how Monday.com helped overcome these obstacles, and the incredible benefits that this powerful tool brought to the company. But before we dive into the Coca-Cola success story, let's set the stage. So first up, we'll see what we'll cover. We will cover introduction to project management tools, overview of Coca-Cola's challenges, Monday.com implementation at Coca-Cola, and lastly, key benefits of using Monday.com. So let's get started. Project management tools help business organize tasks, assign responsibilities, track progress, and communicate effectively across teams. So, even if you're managing a small project or overseeing a massive global initiative, the right project management tool can make a huge difference in your team's ability to stay organized and meet deadlines. So, today we'll be focusing on Monday.com, one of the most popular project management platform used by companies worldwide. It helps teams across various industries stay organized, meet deadlines, and optimize their workflows. It is particularly effective because of its flexibility, customizability, and user friendly design. So it has got various features. We'll see what those are and how Coca-Cola, a company known for its innovative marketing and global reach, utilizes Monday.com with those features. So let's see what are the challenges that Coca-Cola faced. Coca-Cola is a brand that doesn't need a little introduction. As a leader in the global beverage industry, Coca-Cola runs numerous marketing campaigns and product launches every year. Managing much large scale projects across different departments, regions, and stakeholders presents a unique set of challenges. So let's see some of the hurdles that Coca-Cola faced before adopting Monday.com. First is coordinating across multiple teams. Coca-Cola's marketing, product development, and distribution teams operate in multiple regions, making it difficult to coordinate projects and ensure that everyone is aligned on objectives. Hurdle number two, tracking progress of marketing campaigns. With numerous campaigns running simultaneously, it was hard to keep track of each project's progress. There was no clear visibility of what was happening, who was responsible for what, and when tasks were due. Also, there was communication breakdowns. So, there was hurdle number three. Effective communication is important in managing large campaigns, but Coca Cola's team struggled with communication breakdowns as there were large number of people to handle, which led to confusion, missed deadlines, and costly mistakes. Later, there was also a main hurdle of data management and analysis. Coca Cola needed a better way to track metrics and data related to reach campaigns' performance. Traditional tools like spreadsheet weren't sufficient for handling the complexity and volume of these data. Coca Cola needed a solution that could maintain these processes, improve communication, and help them better manage their campaigns and product launches. And that's what led them to use Monday.com. Next up, we'll see the implementation of Monday.com at Coca Cola. So, in response to these challenges, Coca-Cola turned to Monday.com, a versatile and powerful project management platform to help solve these issues. So, now let's check out the tool Monday.com. You can just simply sign in to a free account, or maybe if you have an account, sign into that. And this is the interface which you will come across. So, with certain templates, I have made a dummy project based on which we'll see how Coca-Cola got the help which it needed in the solving those challenges to have a better communication with the team and improve efficiency. So here under IT management, I've got three projects, which is Coke onboarding, then project management, inventory management, and procurement process, as these are the relevant examples where we can see the challenges getting dealt with. So the company needed a tool that could manage multiple projects at once, provide clear visibility into project status, improve communication between teams, and enable data-driven decision making. So there comes the Monday.com. So let's see how it was chosen and how it helped Monday.com. First is customized workflows. Coca-Cola's marketing and product launch workflows are complex, involving multiple departments and steps. Monday.com allowed the company to customize its boards to match the unique requirements of each campaign, ensuring flexibility and efficiency. Let's see how. So here you can see, as we have different sort of projects, we'll go for project management. As I open the project, here we go. Here where you can add different number of tasks with certain specification, and this is how you can handle your campaign at one place. Let's see what are the things we can do. First is assigning a task. So let's name a task. Task number 1, we are going to write it as marketing strategy. And there we go. The owner of it, status, working on it, will be worked, due date, then your priority, what is its priority, we are going to select high. Then if any notes are needed, what is the budget of this, what are the files needed for this, and the timeline in which it should be completed, when it is last updated, and the effort estimation. So this is how these are the certain columns based on which everything could be done at one place. So this is how easily you can fit everything on your board, where you can just add several tasks, assign it to a particular team member, and then track it from the particular project. Next is your centralized communication. All project related communication could be consolidated in one place, eliminating the need of endless email chains or separate chat threads. By having everything in single platform, teams could quickly access the latest updates, track progress, and resolve issues in real time. So there you go. If I just click on this particular task, so it opens up to your window where you can just have a chat thread over here, and after having the discussion regarding the particular task, you can update people via mail. If somebody is not in the chat, somebody is not in the project but needs a report, you can even email it. Other than that, everything you need, like adding files, checking your activity log, mentioning someone, attaching something, or maybe just adding a emoji, or even generating with AI, everything you need is there in the communication portion. So this is how communication become effective and easy for teams to collaborate at one place. Number 3 is track campaign performance. With Monday.com's built-in reporting and analytics feature, Coca-Cola's marketing team could track the performance of each campaign more efficiently. This allowed them to make data-driven decisions and adjust strategies as needed to optimize outcomes. So if we go for inventory management instead of this project, as I have added certain things over there, so this is how you can see. These are certain things which are already over here. As you can see, We have added what is there in the inventory, what is needed later on, and how it is working, and number of things regarding the same. This is the inventory management based on Coke or maybe other company. It is just a template which you can just check out that how Monday.coms help you to manage something. So here we go, we have added certain number of things, and regarding that we have added condition and status and who's the owner, what is the current person who is having that particular thing, and how it is working. If I just click on this, you can see here are the different board views which you can access. More like if you want to see it in a table format or a file gallery or a form or in a certain way, you can just have it. Other than that, if you just want a dashboard based on this where you can have your particular report on this particular project, then you can go for it. Generate it, inventory dashboard. From here you can add your certain items known as widgets where charts are there. Then if you want, there are numbers, battery, Gantt, whatever is needed based on your thing. So you want to connect your board. Let's see what you can connect. We are going to connect inventory managed, and it's done. So this is how you can just have your the particular dashboard, and here you can have your report. So you want to present it, you want to import it to a particular PDF format or in certain other format, and this is how you can easily make your reports and edit it. Reports in terms of how you can track the progress, and the best way to track your progress is a dashboard. So this is how you can just add several things on your page. So this is how the implementation of Monday.com wasn't just a technical change, it was a cultural shift. Coca-Cola's team embraced the platform's intuitive design and realized how much easier it made collaboration, communication, and project tracking. Now let's see what are the key benefits of using Monday.com. So let's take a deeper look at the key benefits Coca-Cola has experienced since adopting Monday.com for its marketing campaigns and product launches and even inventory management. First is your customizable workflows for flexibility. So, one of the standout features of Monday.com is its ability to create customizable workflows. Coca-Cola uses Monday.com to tailor boards, task-based specific needs for each project. So for example, if I just go for it under your Coke onboarding, so this is the project where you can see the number of hires and in what month, and in which team we have hired the person, what is the site, what is the computer allocated or the hardware allocated, and what are the several things given to the particular person. So this is how easily you can track each and everything and customize for it. Not just for onboarding team, if we move to inventory management as well, you can customize your board accordingly, where you can just set up your out of service things, the number of laptops, monitors, and their current status. So this is how easy it is for to any department or any team member to have the specific things get tracked or check out their responsibilities, ensuring the accountability, and also check what is allocated to which particular person. This level of customization is critical for a company like Coca-Cola, where marketing campaigns, inventory management, product launches, and many more type of project can vary greatly in scope and complexity. By adjusting the platform to their needs, Coca-Cola teams have been able to maintain operations and work more efficiently. Next is your centralized communication for improved collaboration. So in large organizations, communication can be easily fragmented, leading to misunderstandings and delays. But with Monday.com, teams can easily collaborate and communicate with each others on multiple tasks and at one place, avoiding the emails and external messaging, which helps the team to avoid any sort of misunderstandings or delays, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This is especially important for Coca-Cola as the teams often work across different regions and time zones. So with Monday.com, teams can leave comments, tag colleagues, even attach files and links directly, which is very easy for them. And to maintain this, they can have the transparency over collaboration and communication. As we can see, for example, we want to just talk about this, about its service and everything. So we can just check the item, and here you go. You can add different sort of things, different type of communication regarding this. So this is how you stick to the topic, stick to the task, and easily collaborate and communicate. Now, number 3 is data-driven insights for better decision making. Another crucial benefit of using Monday.com is its data-driven insights. Coca-Cola has access to detailed analytics and reports and dashboards that allow them to measure the success for each campaign in real time. This helps them for assessment and knowing the improvement that is needed. So as you can see, this is the dashboard which we can see on a particular department, and there we go. There are 3 different teams and all we can track at one place with this dashboard. So we'll not name it now as inventory, we'll change it performance dashboard. So you can see how easily you can maintain your dashboard and see everything at one place. And number 4, we'll see task management and time tracking. So managing multiple tasks across different teams and departments can be overwhelming. But with Monday.com, you can assign different projects and simply track them. As you can see over here, you can just add on a filter on different groups and check out your particular thing. If not this, you can go on your particular project, for example project management, and here you can check the due date, check your timeline and track everything from here. So this is how Monday.com gives you easy tracking system where you can assign your team about their deadlines, track their progress and also monitor time spent on each activity. This ensures that each project stays on track and is completed on time, which is critical for a company like Coca-Cola. So, in conclusion, Coca-Cola's use of Monday.com has helped the company overcome several significant challenges, from coordinating across teams and regions to improving communication and tracking campaign performance. The platform's customizable workflows, centralized communication, data-driven insights, and task management features have provided Coca-Cola with tools it needs to optimize operations and enhance collaboration. So before ending the video, let's quickly have a rundown of what we have seen. We've seen the introduction of project management tool Monday.com, overview of Coca-Cola's challenges, implementation of Monday.com, and key benefits of using Monday.com. So by utilizing Monday.com, Coca-Cola has been able to manage its complex marketing campaigns, and you can also have this by trying out the particular tool. This case study shows how adopting the right project management tool can transform the way a company operates, helping it stay on track and avoiding any sort of delays. So thanks for watching. If you find this case study insightful, share it with your team and do check out our channel KnowHow Academy for more videos and business strategies and tools that can help you achieve success. See you in the next video.